today we're going to work through the water healer flow. And as you can see, it's quite a fluid flow, lots of circles, lots of rotation, suiting a very much Eastern style. Now, I do quite like this one, without trying to sound too hippie-ish. It's kind of easy and it does make me feel better, especially if there's been sort of an injury or not feeling well, or just really not feeling up to flow. It's a great Steel Mace flow to do to feel that little bit better, hence called the water healer flow. So we're going to break it down into stages. Practice each stage, and once you can do it fairly good, then move on to the next one and then catch up with the rest of the video. So like most flows, it starts off with a 360. So we're going to a 360 and bring the lead leg up into a figure 4 position, take the opposite hand, the bottom hand, off to the top of the mace, and we step to the side to perform a lateral lunge. Bring the mace handle against the lead forearm to cradle the mace, and then the free hand scoops underneath to punch the mace head up and over in an arc down. Cool. So practice that, get it nice and fluid. 360, figure 4, a lateral lunge, cradle, catch and punch. Good. From the punch, once we've got it all nice and fluid, that'll bring the tail of the mace up. We can reach behind for a upward thumb grip position. Remember, upward thumb, both thumbs pointing towards the mace head. We bring the mace behind us and cast out. As we do, we let the weight of the mace pull us forward, and we're going to pivot about what is now the lead leg. So your opposite leg steps across and your free hand reaches out to catch the mace. So we're going to change hands as well. So we step, cast and catch. Cool. So let's go through that again from the top. 360, figure 4, lateral lunge, cradle, catch, punch, behind the back, upward thumb grip, cast, step, catch with the free hand. After you've caught with the free hand, we're going to go straight into a mill and then behind the back. Now, tip with casting out, catching and into the mill is to pull your elbow in towards your body. Rather than trying to manipulate the mace and do the rotation, as the mace head drops, pull the elbow in and you're already in half of the mill position. Then you can just drive the elbow down and that'll do the outward mill position. So I've just done the punch, behind the back, step and cast. Go instantly into the mill and then cast out again. Let the mace swoop for a behind the back switch. Bring the mace up, upward thumb grip, and we come out again. So once we've done our behind the back switch, we have our palm up to catch the globe. Cool. I'm going to run through it all again from the top. Appreciate I'm going a little bit fast, but this is where the beauty of YouTube comes in. You can cycle back and keep watching this back as many times as you need to. So 360, figure 4, lateral lunge, cradle, punch, behind the back, cast, outward mill, behind the back switch, palm up, catch the globe. Cool. If you are struggling with that cast to mill, another tip is to try and do it as quickly as you can. So rather than casting, stopping, thinking about what you got to do, by which point the mace head is already dropped. We go up, let that natural peak and the fall happen, and then use that fall to your advantage to initiate the outward mill. Right, so we've just done got up to behind the back and we've caught with the palm. We bring the mace up into a cradle position. Bring the head up, and as it comes across the body, we pivot and step. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way around for you, so the next bit you can actually see it. So mace comes up, pivot, step, and flick the mace off the forearm. Okay, so we're about to let go and do a catch. So we've just come round and we pop the mace off the forearm, let it go mid-air and catch. Now, as long as you've got rotation with this, we can catch. The mace head's going to want to keep traveling onwards in its circular path. We cast the mace or we swoop the mace from there. Right? So let me do it a bit speedier for you. So we've just done our behind the back, palm up, catch, cradle, up across the face, step, pop the mace off the forearm, catch and swoop. We're near the end now. From that swoop, we have our opposite hand palm up again, come round, catching the palm up, cradle, and then let the mace go vertical with the tail down. Now you want your free hand to get a thumb grip with your palm uppermost. So that looks like so. We let go of the head and let the mace pivot round. We give it an extra helping hand, catch ready for the rack position, take our top hand below, we should be ready to start again. So 360, figure 4 lateral lunge, cradle, catch, punch, behind the back, cast, mill, behind the back switch, palm up to catch the globe, cradle, step, pop off, catch, swoop, onto the palm again for another globe catch, round, thumb grip, flick the mace, free hand catches, what is your lead hand drops below, and then we should go back the other way, hopefully, if we've done it right. Seems to be so far. Cool. And then we come around and we just keep that flow going, and hopefully you'll have fun with that and feel as refreshed as I do after doing this flow. You can do it for reps, you can do it for time, whatever floats your boat, pun intended, and we just keep going. There are ways you can add in a few more style points to this. If you've seen Avatar, waterbending, you can try and add in a bit more arm movement as well to mimic the push and pull of the tides, if you want to go that way. But initially, let's just learn it. Have fun with that. Any questions, let me know.